Have you ever set a big goal for yourself only to feel stuck or held back by some invisible force? Well, you are not alone. Now, what if I told you that a tiny part of your brain called the Reticular Activating System, or the RAS, could be the key to breaking free from self-sabotage and finally unlocking your true potential? So in today's video, I'll show you how to flip the switch on your RAS to silence those limiting beliefs and to align your mind with success. Hi, if this is your first time here, my name is Natalie Ledwell and I'm the co-founder of Mind Movies. I'm a law of attraction and mindset coach, and I'm here to help you manifest your wildest dreams with science-based techniques, tools, and resources. I post new videos every Thursday, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And before we start, if you do like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. It's super important, as this way I know that these are the types of videos that you enjoy the most. So let me tell you one thing about self-sabotage. Most of the time, it isn't conscious. It's your brain working against you. Now, the RAS is your brain's filter, and it's designed to confirm what you already believe about yourself. So if you've been telling yourself, I'm not good enough or I'll never succeed, well, guess what? Your RAS will filter out opportunities and focus on anything that confirms those thoughts. This is why breaking free from negative patterns feels so hard. Your brain is literally wired to prove your doubts right. But here's the good news. When you reprogram your RAS, you can turn this mechanism into your greatest ally. So reprogramming your RAS is all about creating new neural pathways. The brain is a creature of habit, and what you focus on repeatedly becomes your reality. So by consistently feeding your RAS empowering beliefs, you can retrain it to highlight solutions, opportunities, and evidence of your success. It's like installing a new operating system in your brain, one that works for you instead of against you. Now, let's dive into a 3-step system to hack your RAS and to put an end to self-sabotage once and for all. Okay, so step number 1 is to identify your limiting beliefs. So take a moment to write down all of the negative thoughts or beliefs that pop into your head when you think about your goals. So an example could be, I'm not smart enough. I'll never have enough money. Now, be honest with yourself. Awareness is the first step to change. Now, I'm going to give you an extra edge to help you with this. At the end of this video, look for the link to my free quiz in the comments section below. This quiz will reveal your number 1 limiting belief in just 30 seconds. All right, step number 2 is to flip the script with power statements. Now, take those negative beliefs and turn them into empowering affirmations. So an example could be, I am capable and learning and growing, or money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Now, you want to repeat these power statements daily. Now, here's a little bonus tip. You want to say them out loud while looking in the mirror for extra impact. Okay, step number 3 is to take micro actions. Your RAS responds to actions, not just thoughts. Commit to small daily steps that align with your goals. So for example, if your goal is to get fit, start with a 5-minute workout. This creates momentum and it reinforces to your brain that you're capable of following through. Now, do you want to take it up a notch? Try these RAS specific hacks to accelerate your results. First one is the mindful disruption. So when a negative thought arises, pause and replace it immediately with a positive affirmation. So think of this as a pattern interrupt for your brain. Then we've got anchoring positivity. So you want to associate your goals with something tangible. So for example, wear a specific bracelet as a reminder of your financial goals. Every time you see it, visualize abundance. The next one is an environment upgrade. So surround yourself with things that support your goals. Books, podcasts, even your social media feed. Your RAS will soak up these positive cues like a sponge. Then we have your gratitude loop. So start and end your day by listing 3 things that you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus to abundance, rewiring your RAS to spot more things to appreciate. Now, right now, more and more people are waking up to the power of the RAS and how it's tied to self-improvement. So whether it's breaking free from bad habits, growing a business, or finding love, people are realizing that mindset is everything, and the RAS is the secret sauce to make it work. Now, this isn't just about the law of attraction. It's about aligning your brain with action and creating a reality that matches your highest potential. You've got the tools, now it's time to use them. So take one of these steps today and watch how your RAS starts to shift your mindset and your life. Now, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So what's one area of your life that you want to reprogram your RAS for? Let me know in the comments. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.